Hey guys, welcome back. In this lecture, let's set the agenda for this section. What we are going to cover. Some of you might have heard about term reactive programming. Some of you might already be doing this and some of you might be here learning RxJava. So in this section, we will try to understand what reactive programming is and what problem does it solve. It's not that before RxJava, developers were not doing reactive programming. Some of the systems were already doing that, but it was little difficult to do that and was not standardized. RxJava and all these libraries solve the problem by doing heavy lifting under the hood and provide a nice framework to the developers to achieve the same with great simplicity. So in this section, we will understand some fundamentals that you need to understand to learn RxJava and its purpose. The lectures of this section is about fundamentals behind reactive programming. In first lecture, we will discuss about Reactive Manifesto, a document created to define reactive systems and properties that reactive systems must hold. These properties are being responsive, elastic, resilient, and message driven. Then we will discuss some fundamentals like sync and async, callbacks and callback hell. This is to make you understand how difficult it is to implement responsiveness and concurrency using core Java patterns. Then we will discuss push and pull. This is using core Java. Whole Rx Java library is push based, and we will see that in upcoming lectures. And then we will discuss observer design pattern. If you understand this pattern well, I'm sure complexity in understanding RxJava will be reduced to half. Then we'll discuss concurrent versus parallel. This was to just build good fundamentals, as these terms are certainly very confusing and used interchangeably knowingly or unknowingly, but have different meanings altogether. After that, we will discuss how RxJava solves some of the problems and makes our life easier as a developer. So we will see the big picture, and finally we will discuss reactive streams. I know if you are doing RxJava or reactive programming first time, a lot of things are new to you. But don't worry, we will start getting into details from upcoming sections and the things will start making more sense. So this section is just about building the fundamentals. See you in the next lecture and let's start the journey.